Look at this. One tree growing three completely different fruits at the same time. It's not CGI. It's not fake. And no, you don't need years of gardening experience to do it. This is grafting. And it might be the single most powerful trick to hack your fruit trees. Save space and harvest faster than you ever thought possible. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how it works and how you can do it yourself. Normally, if you plant a fruit tree from seed, you're waiting years, sometimes a decade, before you get usable fruit. And here's the catch. It might not even be the same fruit you expect. That's because seeds don't grow true to type. Grafting skips all of that. Instead of starting from scratch, you're taking a cutting from a mature, fruit-producing tree and physically joining it to another tree. The magic happens in a thin layer called the cambium. Basically, the tree's growth engine. When those layers line up, the plant heals itself and fuses together. From that point on, the new branch behaves like it's always been part of the tree. So, instead of waiting years, you can get fruit in a single season or two. Before we start cutting into anything, you need a few basics. A sharp, sanitized knife, grafting tape, or paraffin grafting wax, or sealant healthy rootstock, and cyan wood. And here's the golden rule. If the cambium layers don't touch, the graft fails. Everything we do from here is about making that perfect connection. This is what you use when you're working with an established tree. Cut the branch clean across, split it down the middle, shape your sign into a wedge, insert it into the split. You only need one side of the cambium to line up. Seal it, wrap it, and let the tree do the rest. This one looks intimidating, but it's incredibly effective. Match sign and rootstock thickness. Make a long angled cut on both. Add a small tongue cut to lock them together. When done right, they interlock almost perfectly. More contact equals higher success rate. This is the fastest method and uses just a single bud. Make a T-shaped cut in the bark, slide the bud underneath. Wrap it tightly, that's it. If it takes, that tiny bud becomes a full branch. This is where most people mess up. Your graft is fragile at first. Keep it sealed so it doesn't dry out. Protect it from direct sun and wind. Don't disturb it. In a few weeks, you'll know it worked if the bud starts swelling, new leaves appear, the graft stays green, not dry or black. At that point, you've officially created a new tree. If this is your first time here, welcome. I break down practical, real-world ways to grow smarter, not harder. And grafting is just the beginning. If you try this, I want to hear about it. Whether it worked perfectly or completely failed. Seriously, both are useful. Drop a comment and tell me. What did you craft? And did it take? And if you want to turn one tree into an entire orchard, hit subscribe. I'll show you how.